Hello all, I am back with another video which is on a very interesting topic, and that is I'm going to tell you, but let me tell you, this is my third successful video. So today's topic is constellations, a very interesting topic. So before we move on, let us see what are constellations. So constellations is a group of stars forming a recognizable pattern that is traditionally named after its apparent form or identified with a mythological figure. So now these are 88 officially recognized constellations by NASA. We'll be studying only 10 of them in this video. Let me just tell you which ones. So first we are going to see Cetus, Gemini, Hercules, Libra, Orion, Scorpius, Taurus, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, and Virgo. Now, let us begin with the first one, that is Cetus. Um, this is what Cetus looks like. Cetus was a sea monster in Greek mythology, as both Perseus and Hercules needed to slay, sometimes in English called the whale. Cetus is the region of the sky that contains other water related constellations like Aquarius, Pisces, and Eridanus. Now let us try to draw Cetus. This is how Cetus looks. As I told you, it was known as the sea monster or the whale. Now let us move on to the next one. Okay. So now we will be seeing the next one, that is Gemini. This is how Gemini looks like. Yes, so let us first understand what Gemini is. So, Gemini is one of the constellations of the zodiac, and it is located in the northern celestial hemisphere. It was one of the 48 constellations described by the 2nd century AD astronomer Ptolemy, and it remains one of the 88 modern constellations today. Its name in Latin is twins and is associated with the twins Castor and Pollux in the Greek mythology. Its symbol is Unicode. Uh, I'll show that symbol. Just first, we'll just draw Gemini here. Here, this is how Gemini looks. Now let us move on to the next one. The next one that we have in order is Hercules. This is how Hercules looks. Let us draw Hercules first so that we can move on. Yes. Now, Hercules is a constellation named after Hercules, the Roman mythological hero, adapted from the Greek hero Heracles. Hercules was one of the 48 constellations listed by the 2nd century astronomer Ptolemy, and it remains one of the 88 modern constellations today. It is the fifth largest of the modern constellations and is the largest of the 50 which have no stars brighter than apparent magnitude plus 2.5. Moving on to the next one. The next one in order are Libra. Here is how Libra looks. Let us draw it. A simple structure. It is Libra is the constellation of the zodiac again and is located in the southern celestial hemisphere. Its name is in Latin for weighing scales, and its symbol is in Unicode again, like this. It is fairly faint with no first magnitude stars and lies between Virgo to the west and Scorpio to the east. Beta Librae, also known as Zubensali, is the brightest star in the constellation. Three star systems are known to have planet. Moving on to the next that we have is Orion. Now here you can see with changing of the years, the shape of the Orion has also been changing. Let us draw the latest Orion. Yes. So Orion is a prominent constellation located on the celestial equator and is visible throughout the world. A special one. It is one of the most conspicuous and recognizable constellations in the night sky. It is named after Orion, a hunter in the Greek mythology. Its brightest stars are blue white Rigel, that is Beta Orionis, and red Betelgeuse, Alpha Orionis. You can see these stars over here also, 1 and 2, the blue and the red. Moving on to the next one we have. The next one is Scorpius. Scorpius is also known as Scorpio. I'm sorry for the slight corruption. So this is how Scorpius looks. Let's try drawing Scorpius. So Scorpius is one of the constellations of the zodiac again and is located in the southern celestial hemisphere. Its name in Latin is for scorpion and its symbol is in Unicode M. Let me just show you that here. So here you can see as I have drawn this, you can see it matches the shape and here is its Unicode. Scorpius is one of the 48 constellations identified by the Greek astronomer Ptolemy in the 2nd century. It is an ancient constellation that predates the Greeks. It lies between the Libra to the west and the Sagittarius in the east. It is a large constellation located in the southern hemisphere near the center of the Milky Way. Moving on to the next one, we have Taurus. Here is how Taurus looks. Yes. So Taurus, many of you all might be knowing, is one of the constellations of the zodiac. It is located in the northern central hemisphere, and Taurus is a large and prominent constellation in the northern hemisphere's winter sky. It is one of the oldest constellations, dating back to the early Bronze Age, when it marked the location of the sun during the spring equinox. Now, Taurus is the Latin for the word bull. You can see here that it matches the shape as of this, and here in this image I have not marked the legs, while you can see the legs over here also. I'm sorry, this is from another image, but here you can see this one. Of course, this matches. Here is its Unicode also. Its importance to the agricultural calendar influenced various bull figures in the mythologies of ancient Sumer, Akkad, Assyria, Babylon, Egypt, Greece, as well as Rome. So, number of features exist that are interest to astronomers. Taurus hosts two of the nearest open clusters to the Earth, that's the Pleiades and the Hyades, both of them which are visible to the naked eye. At first magnitude, the red giant Aldebaran is the brightest star in the constellation. In the northwest part of Taurus is the supernova remnant Messier 1, more commonly known as the Crab Nebula. One of the closest regions of the active star formation of Taurus Auriga complex crosses into the northern part of the constellation. The variable star T Tauri is the prototype of a class of a pre-main sequence stars. Moving on to the next one, we will be seeing the Ursa Minor as well as the Ursa Major. Here is how they look together. So this is the Ursa Minor, but this is the Ursa Major. So here I'll be drawing the Ursa Major first in white, and black is Ursa Minor. Sorry. Yes. So Ursa Major is a constellation in the northern sky whose associated with mythology likely dates back into the prehistory. Its Latin names means greater she-bear, referring to and contrasting it by nearby Ursa Minor, which is a lesser bear. In antiquity, it was one of the original 48 constellations listed by Ptolemy in 2nd century AD. Today, it is the third largest actually, of the 88 modern constellations. Ursa Major, primarily known as the asterism uh, of its main seven stars, which has been called the Big Dipper, the Wagon, the Charles Wain, or the Plows. So it is known by all of these names, and there are more, of course. In particularly, the Big Dipper stellar configuration mimics the shape of the Little Dipper. Two of its stars, named Dubhe and Merak, can be used as the navigational pointer towards the place of the current North Pole star, that is the Polaris, that is located in the Ursa Minor. You can find it here. This is the Polaris. Now, let us move on to the next that we have, that is Virgo. Here. So, Virgo is one of the constellations of the zodiac again. Its Latin name for Virgin and its symbol in Unicode is this, which looks kind of a M. Now, lying between Leo to the west and Libra to the east, it is the second largest constellation in the sky after Hydra and the largest constellation in the zodiac. The ecliptic intersects the celestial equator within this constellation and Pisces. It can be easily found through its brightest star, that is Spica. Here. With this, I would like to end my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do like, share and subscribe. And also there is a very interesting link waiting for you in the description box. It is of nearpod.com, where you have to, so when you go to nearpod.com, you have to put in this code, or you can also use this link. You can find it in the description box and also in the comments. So do check it out. So when you go to nearpod.com and enter the code, what you will see is this. So enter your name and then click on join lesson. When you do that, you will get this screen. Then you can enjoy the PPT and also answer the questions. Thank you so much for watching.